Hi you guys, it's Jace Bush again with my 5-star baby. Look at those wheels. Look at that. Here, switch it. Five-star scooters, and got a triple clamp. Woo! Got some sick forks. Got some Stay Strong grips. Look at this. Stay Strong grips. Yeah, it is very good. Alright, see you guys later.